Ever wondered which animals are not winning any awards for their intellect? Join me as we journey into the heart of the animal kingdom, but this time we're not celebrating speed, strength, or cunning. No, today we're shining a light on the less intellectually gifted, the champions of comical clumsiness, the masters of magnificent misunderstandings. Get ready to meet some creatures whose brains may be a bit underdeveloped, but whose antics are sure to entertain. Ah, the sloth, a creature so lethargic it would make a snail look like a cheetah on a caffeine rush. These tree-dwelling denizens of Central and South America are the epitome of relaxed living, spending most of their days hanging upside down, munching on leaves, and well, that's about it. They're so slow that algae actually grows on their fur, providing a convenient camouflage. One might wonder, how does an animal this seemingly helpless survive? Well, dear viewer, that's the beauty of natural selection, even in its most baffling forms. Our next subject is a bird that graces our Thanksgiving tables yet seems perpetually perplexed by its own reflection. Turkeys, those large plump birds with a distinctive gobble, have a peculiar habit of staring at their own reflections for extended periods. It's as if they've never quite grasped the concept of mirrors, or perhaps they're just incredibly narcissistic. Whatever the reason, their bewildered expressions never fail to amuse. The panda, with its iconic black and white markings, is undeniably adorable. But beneath that cuddly exterior lies a rather perplexing dietary choice. These bears subsist almost entirely on bamboo, a plant notoriously low in nutritional value. One might wonder why pandas haven't evolved to crave something a bit more substantial, but perhaps they've found solace in their leafy greens. Next we venture to the land of sunshine and shrimp on the Barbie, Australia, to meet the koala. These cuddly creatures with their button noses and fluffy ears are another prime example of animals with peculiar palates. Koalas feed exclusively on eucalyptus leaves, which, you guessed it, are not exactly a nutritional powerhouse. In fact, eucalyptus leaves are toxic to most animals, but the koala has adapted to tolerate these toxins, albeit with some side effects. Their digestive systems have to work overtime to break down the leaves, which might explain their sleepy demeanor. From the sun-drenched eucalyptus forests, we plunge into the inky depths of the ocean, where we encounter a creature so bizarre it seems to have sprung straight from a science fiction film. The goblin shark, with its elongated snout, protruding jaws, and needle-like teeth, is the stuff of nightmares. This elusive creature is rarely observed in its natural habitat, leaving scientists to puzzle over its evolutionary journey. Ah, the flamingo. A vision in pink, a symbol of grace, or perhaps not. While their vibrant plumage and synchronized movements might suggest elegance, flamingos are surprisingly clumsy when it comes to landing. They often stumble, trip, and generally make a spectacle of themselves upon descent. It's a good thing they're so pretty to look at. Our next stop takes us to the land of Kiwis and Lord of the Rings, New Zealand, home to a bird so peculiar it seems to defy logic. The kakapo, a large, flightless parrot, is a testament to the quirks of evolution. These nocturnal birds with their mossy green plumage and owl-like faces are critically endangered, partly due to their, shall we say, less than stellar intelligence. They're known to be curious to a fault, often approaching predators with a mixture of fascination and fear. The ostrich, that majestic bird of the African savanna, is often wrongly accused of burying its head in the sand when danger approaches. This, my friends, is a myth. Ostriches are actually quite observant and rely on their incredible speed and powerful legs to outrun predators. So let's give the ostrich its due credit and dispel this slanderous rumor once and for all. From the majestic to the downright menacing, we now encounter a creature whose success is a testament to its resilience, if not its intelligence. The cane toad, native to South and Central America, has become a notorious invasive species in many parts of the world, including Australia. These warty amphibians, with their poisonous skin and voracious appetites, have wreaked havoc on native ecosystems.